good, loves? Welcome back to the channel. I have some clip-ins from Lavyhair. Now, I've actually reviewed from Lavyhair before. I've actually reviewed one of their wigs, and they have great quality hair. But honey, since it's summer, it is too hot for wigs, and the braids is definitely causing stress to my hair. So y'all, I invested into these Cambodian 16-inch clip-ins, and look at the texture of this hair, okay? Absolutely live for the construction of these wefts. It's super thick. Super excited to try these on. Here's their QR code and how to reach out to them if needed. So let's get started. I've already had my hair blown out from a few days ago from a trim. Since my hair has already been clarified, I'm going to start off deep conditioning my hair. So I'm just going to do like a quick little co-wash using my Aussie conditioner. And once that is done, I will be sharing what type of products that I use in my hair to just define my curls a little bit. And I'm going to show you how to apply in the clip-in. So stay tuned for that.
Are you gonna be in love with me? I want you and need you to be. Yeah. Are you gonna be? 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 Are you gonna be?
Now that my hair is co-washed, I will be taking my Edge Fix, my Auntie Jackie, and my Camilla hair mousse, and I love that stuff, honey. That is the best hydrating mousse I've ever used. I will make sure to put all of the links down in the description below if you're interested in the products that I'm using, including the clip-ins that I am reviewing in this video. So I'm just starting out putting Auntie Jackie on my hair. I love that curl and define gel, honey. Auntie Jackie, Auntie, clock that, okay? She definitely worked her magic with this product here because it makes my curls so defined. So I'm just adding a little bit of that plus the mousse onto my clip-ins, and I'm just putting that there. And my parts are not perfect, y'all. This does not have to be perfect. I'm just free parting as I go and just throwing these clip-ins in just to show you how easy and simple it can be. It does not have to be neat or perfect as long as there's no track showing.
Say that you're gonna be. Picture on my mirror, start to blush when somebody says your name. In my stomach there's a pain. You walk in my direction, I go the other way. I start to stutter when I speak, trying to stand but my knees go weak. What's happening to me? In the dark, can you tell me what it means? I lay my head on my pillow, staring out the window, trying to stop for a sign. It's the reason why you always on my mind. You come around like it's baby, when I see you, when I see you, baby, when I never know when you might walk by. So I gotta be right on time. When I see you, when I see you, I scribble X's and O's in my notebook, checking how my hair and my nails look. I feel myself in the zone, get nervous when you're gone. I say I'm not home. See your face and I hear my favorite song. Should I send an email at home? You're the #1 topic on the phone. I wonder if you know, or do you have a clue? Yeah. I lay my head on my pillow, and you got me staring out the window. We're showing stars outside. What's the reason why? You're always sexy boy. You're sexy boy. Hey baby, something now is taking over me. Yeah.
another thing that I would like to add, I would just like to say the perfect way to get the best curls is finger curling the hair. So now that I have the products all through my hair, the clip-ins in my hair, I'm just going back and I'm taking my fingers, put a little bit of product, and I'm just finger curling like my natural hair and the extensions just to make sure everything is blending.
Ooh, it's something about, just something about the way she moves. I can't figure it out. It's something about her. Ooh, it's something about kind of woman that wants you but don't need you. Hey, I can't figure it out. It's something about her. 'Cause she walk like a boss, talk like a boss, manicure nails or something pedicure boss. She's fly effortlessly. And she move like a boss.
So now that I have my left side and the back finished, this is the right side. This is just the remaining that I have left over, and you can just see a major difference. So the hair is definitely blending perfectly. So here's what it's looking like now that I have all of the clip-ins installed, and I am going to trim this just a little bit that where it can frame just a little bit more, that where everything can just kind of be even and it's not looking like I got some longer pieces, some shorter pieces. I'm just going to cut up the extensions just a little bit just to frame my face and kind of just trim the end some just a little bit by an inch just to make sure that the hair is full, because I know how my hair is. I got real bad shrinkage, and once this hair dries, once these curls dry into its place and form, it's going to shrink. So yeah, I need everything to kind of like be leveled, if that makes sense. So I'm just kind of framing the hair in the front, making sure that everything is blended. And at one point I thought I cut my own damn hair because the clip-ins look so much like my hair. I just thought like, oh my god, did I just cut my hair? But it was just a false alarm, y'all.
Something about her. 'Cause she work like a boss, play like a boss. Car and a crib, she got to pay him both.
So this is the finished look, and you guys, I absolutely love this. These Kinky curl clip-ins are definitely giving what it's supposed to give. I mean, it looks so natural, like you couldn't even tell. You couldn't even tell. Absolutely recommend these clip-ins. These are a 10 out of 10. I mean, they're very sturdy. I mean, these clip-ins ain't going nowhere. You can restyle these clip-ins anytime you want, and you can actually color them as well because they are 100% Cambodian human hair. No tangles, no problems, just clip and go. But thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And until next time, bye.
And everything she got, best believe she bought it. She gon' steal my